Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show aesthetic Roblox usernames and AMP ideas list. So, let's get started. What is an aesthetic Roblox username? Well, it's a username that is pleasing to the eye and reflects your personal style. It can be cute, cool, or even edgy, depending on your preference. Here are a few tips for creating an aesthetic Roblox username. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Use different fonts and colors. Add emojis or other special characters. Be creative and have fun. Here is a list of aesthetic Roblox username ideas. Cute, Sugar Plum, Cloud Puff, Bunnykins, Rainbow Sprinkles, Starberry Mochi. Cool, Nightblade, Moonchild, Stardust, Galaxy Wolf, Midnight Star. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.